The problem number 2 is for iota is equals to square root minus 1. What is the sum of 7 plus 3 iota plus minus 8 plus 9 iota? So we need to add two complex number. The first complex number is 7 plus 3 iota and the second complex number is minus 8 plus 9 iota. In iota we have two parts. The first part is the real part and the second part with the iota is called imaginary part. So similarly here 8 is the real part and 9 iota is the imaginary part. So what we need to do, we need to add the real parts in the real part and we need to add the imaginary part in the imaginary part. So both imaginary parts have the iota value, so I'm taking the common. So 3 plus 9. So 7 minus 8 it will be minus 1 plus 9 plus 3 is 12, 12 iota. So our correct option is option number 1, minus 1 plus 12 iota.